Are you tired of watching too many ads on YouTube before, during, and after every single video? So today, I'll show you the best and safest ways to watch YouTube videos without ads on Android, completely free and legal. Many people use Revanced, an alternative third-party unofficial app to YouTube for watching YT videos without ads. But here's a few important things you should really know about this app, that how it works and how it is complicated to install on Android. It requires an additional setup app, microG, or patches to get working and often breaks with updates. Plus, it's heavy. Takes around 150 to 250 megabytes storage space and eats 500 to 600 megabytes of RAM, and consumes more battery power due to its services always running in the background. Without microG app, it won't even work, and mainly only supports Android 8 and above, and even lags and crashes on 3-year-old budget Android phones. So instead of using this heavyweight app, why don't you try open source alternatives to the YouTube app, which are free, ad-free, and lightweight, uses only 10 to 20 megabytes of storage, and mainly supports even older Android 5.0 and above phones. Featuring completely blocking YouTube ads, you can watch any YouTube videos at 4K quality without being interrupted by ads, sponsors, and product placement. You can even download any kind of YouTube videos at high definition directly in your storage to watch it later. There are many open source ad-free YouTube alternative apps, but I'll just recommend you 2 of them, best of the best, which myself prefer, and I've been using them since 3 to 4 years. 1. LibreTube. Download and install LibreTube. Click First Download button. Now scroll down till you find Asset button, click it. There's 4 LibreTube APK link depending phone's hardware. If your phone is older, choose ARMAB V7A. As you can see, the LibreTube app is so tiny, just 8 megabytes of size. Click OK button and you're good to go. Say goodbye to the YouTube ads forever. LibreTube is an open-source YouTube alternative that lets you watch videos completely ad-free, without tracking or Google account requirements. It uses the piped API to stream content securely and privately, offering smooth playback with options to download videos or audio in multiple resolutions. LibreTube supports background play, picture-in-picture mode, custom subscriptions, and even allows you to organize channels into groups. It's lightweight, fast, and uses far less RAM and storage compared to apps like Revanced. The app also includes dark and light themes, adjustable playback speed, and privacy-focused settings, making it one of the best and safest ways to enjoy YouTube content without any ads or unnecessary data collection. Two. NewPipe. Download and install NewPipe. Click Download button. You need to first enable 2K, 4K playback in settings before watching any 4K videos. Normally, it's disabled. NewPipe is another excellent open-source YouTube alternative designed for speed, privacy, and simplicity. It lets you watch and download YouTube videos without ads, tracking, or needing a Google account. NewPipe is extremely lightweight and runs smoothly even on low-end phones, using very little RAM and storage compared to Revanced. It supports background playback, pop-up mode, floating window, video and audio downloads in various formats from 4K 60 frames per second to 144p, and allows you to subscribe to channels locally without logging in. The app also offers customizable settings like themes, resolution control, and privacy options, making it a fast, secure, and efficient choice for watching YouTube videos completely ad-free. If you're having any troubles regarding this method, please consider commenting, and I'll help you out.